Hey guys, it's me again. So today we are here in Don't Press the Button 4, and I am playing as Baldi. You gotta be kidding me. I'm playing as Baldi, and I'm joined here by my sister.
Hey guys, this is my new account because I deleted Roblox.
How dare you? You know what? Get out of this video. You deleted Roblox. Get out of here.
Don't tell me to Papa.
Now.
Yeah. We're playing.
Hey.
Baldi.
Hey. What are you doing? I saw that. Now guys, don't say that I'm copying the frustrated gamer. I just wanna dress up as Baldi. I just wanna play as Baldi. It's like a role play. Get on blue pad. Guys, if you hear noise,
destroyed your wall. 3 bones.
Hey. Now guys, if you hear shouting in the background, that's my cousin again. JD. No.
I'm gonna drop off.
Grab the most rings.
No.
Is this like Sonic? Like onion rings like that? Or like teleportation rings like that?
I'm just gonna.
Oh come on, I'm getting no rings. Baldi, use your brain. Use your brain to calculate how many rings we need to get to win. Come on man. I know inside that bald head is a big brain. I know it. Yeah, but emotional damage by the way. Come on!
I got 8 rings! Yes!
I got 7.
I got 8. 9, 10.
My worst enemy.
Skinny bones?
No.
Hey!
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Hey, what are you doing on there?
Yes!
Hey, no more stepping on the button on the halls, even though we're not in the halls. Supersonic speed.
You always make the rules everywhere.
I don't make the rules. The principal does. Joke. I'm just joking. I make the rules. This is my school. It's literally Baldi's school. Although this is not my game.
Yeah, but you need to call your school Bold School.
You done roasted Baldi. No. Okay, guys. I think JD is about to join us right now. Hey, don't put your tongue on me. She put her tongue on me. You little. No, maybe no. What?
Oh, I died immediately.
Me too. I think JD's gonna join.
Yeah, she already joined.
Hey, it's JD. Julianis.
Beat her.
Hi. Wait. I think she's my friend.
You can find me.
Bro.
You can find me.
Others looking up and thinking, are those angels? And why in the world are there bald angels? I thought angels have hair.
Ha ha ha.
20.
Now I think there's like a Baldi level here, but I don't know. Reach the bottom.
Yes.
This easy.
Yeah, this easy. I played job many times.
JD, stop screaming. This is not even real life. Oh, chocolate. Yeah. Now.
I always play the drop. So this could be easy for me.
Oh no!
Yes.
Let's do it again.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go! I won! Come on! Sai!
I'm the chip.
Yes?
We're flying.
Yes, we're flying. You mean we're floating? The angel's coming down. The gold angel's coming down to get the goldies. No!
Yes, I pressed the button. Oh no.
What? Get to the other side.
No!
I'm already on the other side.
Yeah, I'm already on the other side.
Okay, get to the other side. Where are you guys going? This is the side that we need to go
No,
on.
that's the start.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Baldi, use your brain. I know inside that ball is a big brain of yours, right? No, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. JD.
Which way we go?
Let's go
Which
this.
way we go?
You mean P. Hey, you, guy with the gun. Coronavirus?
Banana gun.
Huh? This easy. You gotta be kidding. Right when I said this easy. I did it! What?
Little man.
Man, I was too tall. I'm too tall.
Oh gosh. Go!
Dude, I'm too tall. That means I'm too strong. Wow.
Yeah, too strong.
Yeah, my brain's stronger than your mom's. Your mama, my mama, your mama. No! What happened?
It's your fault, Baldi.
What did I do? Huh?
Answer the mystery.
JD?
I'm not
Okay, let's go, Kuya.
I'm
What?
so curious.
Kuya,
Yes?
let's go.
Okay,
I'm so curious.
I didn't know that this game turned into Indiana Jones.
Whoa,
This is not Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones.
It's so yucky there.
Yes, it's so yucky here.
Oh my god.
Oh, JD sacrificed herself for us. Hey you, guy with that flying stuff. Hey you, are you hacking?
Oh my god. That was so close.
No more hacking in the halls.
Oh
yeah, what is the
I'm so scared.
Why did this turn into Indiana Jones?
I'm so scared.
Oh.
JD, be quiet.
Load it down.
Kuya, I'm so scared. I don't like to be scared.
Okay, don't be scared. Oh, money. But you all know Baldi already has a lot of money because that bald head is making a lot of money.
Of the kind.
Yeah, the shrine, just like Saitama. Besides, he afforded a whole school. Hey, you, how did you get on top of there?
Hey, stop pushing
I'm
me.
the only tall one here. Hey,
I'm doing
this guy's a
it.
ghost.
Invisible.
I'm about to press this button like it's never been pressed
Now
before.
I'm here, Kuya.
Floating.
What happened to you? Oh, did this turn into natural survival? Like the game? I don't remember the name of the game, but this natural natural disaster. You gotta be kidding me.
Natural survival. What the?
No, disaster. It's natural disaster, I think.
Natural survival.
I said disaster.
Yeah, before disaster. What?
Hey, don't blame the baby.
What are you doing?
I'm flexing my dance moves.
Yeah, your dance moves have been flexed by the 1981.
Hey, Lucky Box. Oh,
Yes, I dropped you.
what's this?
What's out? What's you?
Are those chicken nuggets?
A potato.
No, I love potatoes.
A potato.
Potato.
Come on!
Kuya, it's potato.
Yeah, potato.
Oh, you're so big, Ate.
Come on, JD. Oh, 104 clicks.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Did I press it? I hate lasers.
Oh yes.
But especially when you're tall.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think we're cheating. We're cheating.
Yeah, just kidding.
We're cheating.
Oh my god.
No. I will survive this.
They are getting more faster.
I'm jumping over here. Hey, what's up, guy? What's up, dude? Are you one of the tall guys? This is the tall guy club. Hey, you get out of here. You're not a part of the tall.
So scary.
Yeah. Hey, get out of here. You're not a part of the tall dude group.
To Ate Chai, there's only me.
Okay.
Why is there short people
Kuya.
here?
Get out. This is my wall.
This is my what?
Is this the wall of Shiganshina from Attack on Titan?
Now press this one.
Hey. Sayonara. No! I'm literally out of the beam. Well, at least my hand was in the beam. Hey!
Let's see some cows.
Kuya, we're floating.
Yeah, we're floating.
Ah.
Taking nut jobs. You didn't help us.
My face is in the
May you guys rest in peace. Psych.
Where's the button?
I did it! I pressed the button. Why am I short? Kind of. No, acid rain.
It's raining.
Hey guys, did you know that acid rain? Did you know that acid?
Kuya,
Yes.
the
What happened to me? Oh, look, Baldi's naked. What did you do to me? What did you do to me?
That's the alien.
What have you done? What have you done? You made me naked.
It's an alien infection.
Did you? No! I'm naked. Guys, look away, look away. Hey, did you know that
I saw you tong tong.
every time?
Kuya, I saw you tong tong.
Tong 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 tong.
Where are my clothes?
Tong 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 tong.
Where are my
I
clothes?
have your tong tong.
My clothes!
Tong tong tong.
Where are my clothes at?
Kuya, ate.
Where are my clothes?
Hey guys, isn't it JD said I see a tong 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 fucking donkey tong halimau.
First JD keeps interrupting me of how acid rain is
Kuya, I saw
of
you
how
tong tong.
JD keeps interrupting me. Now I'm naked. Everybody look away.
Tong 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 fucking donkey tong halimau ang tauni.
Everybody look away.
Ay, ate.
Everybody look away.
I'm focused.
Kuya, I saw your foot.
No, my butt.
No, I saw your foot.
Hey guys, did you know that acid rain is caused by the smoke, the smoke from like factories, and if
I'm gonna get the naked guy.
no, not me, and if that smoke is meets up with rain, it causes acid rain. They can't see me. I'm too naked.
Kuya.
And you blended with the snow with the old pale gold.
You guys don't see me. I'm hiding behind it. I'm hiding behind these presents.
Ate, what's
So I get out of here.
with that?
I'm your brother.
Kuya.
And I don't
Yes?
care.
Kuya, don't talk to Ate Sai. Not only him. Just only me.
Ah, why only you?
Because Ate Sai talk to you.
Eh?
Because I want you.
Oh, I love you too. Oh,
Don't you dare touch
what happened? Who did that?
Kuya, don't.
I got my clothes back. Eh? I
You
got.
talk to me, not
Okay.
to Ate Sai.
Okay, I got my clothes back.
Yes, Kuya.
I'm so worried.
JD, are you alright?
I'm so worried I'm gonna get a heart attack.
Ate.
You're gonna get a heart attack. You're overreacting, bro. Eh? Incoming balls.
Stop the incoming balls. Jog balls.
Hey, that's a.
Don't
I'm gonna walk up here like a mouse. I'm a mouse. I'm a little mouse. I'm a little mouse. Hey you, bring it on! So I lied.
Oh my god.
Ah! The force compels you. Star Wars.
I'm not doing anything.
Eh? No! No! At least I have a ball with me.
You're
No,
cheating.
I'm not cheating. How dare you?
No, you're cheating.
Score a goal.
And the goal.
Come on, let me score a goal. Score a goal. JD. No.
Kuya.
Come on, JD, score! Score!
You not forget about it.
Okay, Kuya.
Who is this ugly girl? This girl's ugly.
Okay, Ate.
Hey, this girl's ugly.
I'm gonna tell
Ate.
Papa.
Hey, no.
Ate.
Just kidding, man.
Ate.
Yes. Yes.
Press the button.
Don't fall. Don't fall off. That's impossible. Not again. No. I'm gonna be naked again.
I saw you kill armpit.
Hey.
Kili, 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 kili.
Not again. I'm naked. What happened to my? What happened to my coat? You know what, guys? Guys, that's enough for this video.
Kuya, let's play something else.
Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe
Kuya,
button.
let's play something else.
Smash that.
Let's play something
Okay.
else.
Smash that like button with your Roblox character, and definitely not your naked one. And I'll see you later, alligators.